you tired of getting the same old boring notifications on your phone? Do you want to change that but don't know how? What if I told you that in this video, you can get a ton of notifications, including not only play notifications, but also payment notifications. And in just a few clicks, you can earn over $100 with this new money-making strategy that I'm about to show you in this video. I assure you that this method is 100% legit, 100% effective, and most importantly, 100% free. I have new apps with me today that you will learn about in this video. With just a simple click of downloading it and another click of logging in, you can earn a lot of money online in no time. And this method is widely available for use, no matter where you are on the planet's 7 continents. So this is completely accessible for everyone with all of these on hand. And the best part is that I'm going to teach you how to do it. So just stick with me until the end. And don't skip ahead in this video so you don't miss a single piece of information that is extremely important if you want to make more and more money online easily and for free. But before we start, if it is your first time in the channel, welcome to the Daily Dollars channel. Where I will teach you methods and strategies on how to make money online. Before we go to our video, make sure to subscribe to the channel, smash the like button, and click the notification bell to be notified whenever we upload a new video. And don't forget to leave a comment down below. Without further ado, let's just get right into the video. I want you to visit a website called Instagc.com, where you can just simply download it on your phone and then earn money as easy as 1, 2, 3. With this app being widely available on both mobile device softwares, you can download this on any phone that you have, and it doesn't matter if it runs with iOS or Android because either way, it's going to work. If there's something that's bugging you, even just for a bit, for example, maybe you're a little skeptical on legitimacy and the fullness of these apps, you can actually go and visit their Facebook page and you will see hundreds of reviews as shared by other people across the globe. Most importantly, you can see tons of payment proofs that are given to users worldwide. Thus, proving that this method is totally legitimate, you can see right here that this person has earned this amount of money, another one here, and another one, and so on and so forth. What's even greater about this is that you can use various payment methods to claim the money that you earned, such as PayPal or bank transfer or any other payment method that you prefer, and is actually compatible with this app. Feel free to discover their Facebook page in order to suffice all lacking information so as to alleviate your anxiety away. Let's go back to the website. So Instagc is actually a combination of two ideas, instant and GC, which means gift card. Given this name, you can receive free gift cards instantly for any online activities that you do online, such as completing surveys, watching videos, shopping online, and searching the web. Among these various methods, I personally prefer the one where I can just be lazy after opening the link, and that is watching videos. Watching videos is actually a pretty sweet method in earning money online because all you have to do is play the video, set your device aside, and then go back to your usual routine and maybe even do something fun. However, all these methods are just so easy that you can do them with your one hand, like searching the web for completing surveys. But let me give you a little tip in order to increase your earnings. You have to maximize your time allotment by accomplishing the methods all at the same time. You can play a video on your device, and then you have the freedom to go and pursue the other methods simultaneously. And that's a secret that I have only shared with you. So make sure to use it in the best way possible. In order to sign up for Instagc, simply go visit their social media pages, which is Facebook and Twitter, or simply look them up on Google. The next step is pretty much self-explanatory because all you need to do is to sign up and register for an account by typing in some details about yourself. Moving on to the second website that I'll share today, it's actually called AppKarma. And again, you can access this with any device that you have or prefer to use because this is immensely compatible with both iOS and Android run devices. So AppKarma is another easy and free way to make money online. But with this website, you're going to have fun and play some games. Then you're going to earn money through PayPal or through gift cards. So if you want to get onto this, just merely click the download button and then you're going to collect an instant 300 points for free. And take note that 100 points is equivalent to $1 each. So with 300 points, you get the easiest $3 you've had in your entire life. With this app, there's another way to make more money, and that is by referring others to come in and join you in the app. Just copy your invite link and share it to as many people as you can along with your referral code. Then once you do, and that person successfully joins AppKarma, you are going to get a whopping 30 commission based on the earnings that they have conjured. Let's have an example. Now imagine if that person makes 100. You're going to get 30 of that, which is 30. See how easy that was? You got to earn money without really doing anything difficult, heavy, or time-consuming. Feel free to discover the app, and just a little overview, make sure you sign in every day in order to get daily rewards. Also, I almost forgot to mention that every time you accomplish a task successfully, you are going to earn several various badges that will aid in the continuous development of your account. By leveling up again and again with more badges, you can earn more money because the level of your rewards increases as well. Everything just screams convenience, doesn't it? If you guys are enjoying this video, don't forget to smash the like button and subscribe to the channel. Now let's get back to the video. So are you still with me? Because right now, I'm going to show you the third app, which is called Cashkick. Just like the previous apps, Cashkick allows diverse payment methods that best suit your preference. You can claim money through PayPal and bank transfer, among many others. Basically, with Cashkick, they think that cash is the greatest reward, and let's face it do be like that. So you can earn money through this app by answering surveys, finding great deals, watching videos, and surfing the web. Now, if you actually think about it, these methods are just really plain activities that we all perform on a daily basis. We all watch videos on our free time, so you might as well make some money out of it. Now, for the sign-up process, all you have to do is input your email and password, and to complete your registration, you're going to click on this purple button right here that says Get Started Now, and you're ready for this money-making journey. However, the entire path doesn't end here because I will show you the fourth app for today. It's called Superpay, or the website superpay.me. Unlike the other previous apps, namely Instagc and Cashkick, Superpay only offers the loan money-making method of completing surveys. But with these credentials right here, you are not going to regret a single thing with over 4 million amount of money paid among users worldwide. With a solid 2,925 reviews on Trustpilot, surely Superpay is very effective as a method to earn more money online. They also bear some very helpful features, namely a very fast payment turnaround that is only within 24 hours, a low cash-out threshold available in the comfort of your own home, several promo codes, and cash contents offering a lot of paid surveys, and offers a very easy 20-cent bonus when you join. And last but definitely not the least, a referral program that will surely be the best of the bunch. Furthermore, Superpay is extremely convenient with the external companies right here that you can choose from to claim your money, such as PayPal, Skrill, Amazon, and some others. Right here on their website, if you're feeling a bit goofy, you may wonder whether this is actually true. You've got nothing to worry about. Superpay is actually very transparent because in this section right here, you can view thousands of payment proofs as shared by thousands of users across the entire planet. Like I mentioned before, with a massive $4 million worth of money paid in this app, it's absolutely in a very good working condition. It all sounds so interesting, right? Like, it's calling on to you, so don't fight it and simply join in by clicking this button that says Join Free Today, and you will be redirected to this page where you can register for absolutely $0 in total. Just fill in some information about yourself, such as their name, email address, and many others, and then you're almost in. All you have to do is to lend them your payment information so that they will know how to pay you. Click on these boxes right here to agree to the terms and conditions, as well as the privacy policy. Click the I'm not a robot icon, and then boom! You now have your free Superpay account. And everything is literally so easy, and you can do this as many times as you want, and with as many apps as you can, so as to make your income opportunities endless. And that is it for today's video. If you haven't already, make sure that you leave a like down below. Also, hit the subscribe button and notification bell down below to subscribe to the channel. Big thanks to everyone and see you in our next video.